Hey y'all, this is my oven method dry can goods before I had all of my tools in. The oven method really worked good. It sealed it really tight, but I did unseal it and drop an oxygen absorber in it and resealed it with my mason jar adapters. But both methods are great. Here's my prized goods in my pantry. I am super excited about getting a stash going. I want to can probably every weekend if I can, something, just to keep building this up a little bit. Yeah, I love them potato flakes. I've had fun with those. Kosher salt, I missed that one. That's a Pillsbury chocolate brownie mix. I just went ahead and unboxed. I need a bigger jar for that though. I couldn't fill it all the way. And then baking soda. The baking powder was very loose. Be very careful with the baking powder. Don't fill your jar up too tall, because that one really was risky on getting powder in my machine, even though I did use my cupcake method. Cupcake cup upside down. Chocolate coffee creamer, one of Drake's favorites. There's my butters. I went ahead and jarred those up since I opened the can. There was so much. I mean, you could order those cans and never open them and just have it as part of your emergency stash. Hazelnut creamer, that was only $1. I'd like to get some other flavors just to have, and I do want to do some coffee also. We do not fry often. I would have put this in bigger jars, but I ran out of big jars. But nice to have that. Anyway, here's a bonus of me cooking some Cajun okra. Enjoy. Okay, y'all. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please be sure and like, share, subscribe, click the bell. and I'll see y'all next time.